In today's video, I'll teach you how to find SHEIN coupon code. So if you want to find the coupon code of SHEIN, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply visit the websites and platforms that provide you the coupon codes for various stores. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. I'm going to specifically visit the website called Coupon Follow. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in www.couponfollow.com. Press enter. You can also visit other websites and platforms if you want. You can see over here Coupon Follow has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here what you have to do is simply search for SHEIN. Click on the search bar that you can see right over here. Now type in SHEIN. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the option SHEIN that you can see on the screen. You can also click on the option according to the reason. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see all the available promo codes over here. You'll be able to find the options like 30% off, 20% off, 90% off, 15% off, 50% off, etc. Find the deal that you like the best. Once you do that, click on this option, see coupon, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. In this tab, you can see over here, you'll be able to find the coupon code. You can directly redeem it at SHEIN. For that, click on this option, redeem at SHEIN, that you can see on the screen. Or you can also copy it. Click on the option copy that you can see on the screen. Now the coupon code will be copied. Now you can use this coupon code in the checkout interface of SHEIN and you'll be able to get the promised discount. So that is how you find SHEIN coupon code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.